This is the first piece we're going to use to build our rainbow. What color is this piece? Purple, that's right. Let's go grab the next piece. Here's the next piece that we need over here. Let's bring it to the rainbow. Here we go. We have our next piece. What color is this piece, friends? Blue. That's right, you're so smart. We are going to take this blue piece and put it on top of the purple piece, just like this. Now we've started our rainbow. Let's go grab another piece so we can keep going. Let's see. I think the next piece we need is this one. Let's bring it to the rainbow. Let's bring it down, and now we have the next piece. This piece is green. Can you say green? This piece goes on top of the blue piece. Look at how much progress we're making. Let's grab another piece. We only have a few pieces left. I think this one is the next one. Let's bring it to our rainbow. Here comes the next piece. What color is this? Yellow. That's right. Let's put the yellow piece on top of the green piece. It fits so well. Now we have many different colors. Our rainbow is starting to form. We have 2 pieces left. Let's go get the next one. Okay, 2 pieces are left. I think this one goes next. Let's go. All right, now that we have the next one, we can keep going. This piece is orange. Yes, this piece goes on top of the yellow piece. Look at how beautiful our rainbow is looking. Let's go grab the last piece so we can finish our rainbow. Come on. Okay, here's our last piece. Let's go finish our rainbow, friends. Here's the last piece. I'm so excited to see our full rainbow. This color is red. And it goes right on top of the orange piece to complete our rainbow. You did such a great job helping me build this rainbow. Let's see all of the colors together. We have purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Wonderful job, friends. Now that we've built our rainbow, let's go learn some numbers with the cars back here. Look at all of these colorful garages. These are where we're going to sort our rainbow cars. Let's see. There are numbers at the top. What number is this? Number 1. And number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And number 5. Let's see if we have some cars. Here comes the first one. This is our first car to sort. Can you help me out? Where does this car belong? This car has a number 1 and it's red. Is there a garage that has a number 1? Is there a red garage? Where? Right here. That's right. Here it goes into the garage. Great job, friends. Great job sorting our first car. Let's see if we have another one. Here comes the second car. Wow! What number is on this car? Number 2. That's right. And what color is it? orange. Great job. Okay, let's see. Do we have an orange garage with the number 2 on it? Where? Right there. That's right. Let's bring our orange car into that garage. Number 2 going in. Perfect. Great job, friends. Let's go see if we have another car. Here comes the next car. Look, this one is yellow with a number 3 on it. Do we have a yellow garage with a number 3 on it? Where? Right here, that's right. The yellow car goes in the yellow garage. Number 3 coming into the garage. Just like that. Okay, we have 2 left. Let's go get our next car. Here it comes. There's our next car. Let's see, what color is this one? That's right, it's green. And what number is this? A number 4. Great job. We have 2 left. Which one is green? This one, that's right. The green car goes in the green garage. Here goes number 4. Just like that, friends. Let's go get our last car. Here it comes. Our last car. And it has a number 5 on it. We only have 1 more garage, just like this. Great job, friends. We sorted all of the cars. Let's go over the colors and numbers we learned one more time. Let's see. The first garage is red and has a number 1. The second garage is orange and has a number 2. Our next garage is yellow and has a number 3. The next one is green and has a number 4. The last one is a dark green with a number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We learned so many fun colors and numbers with our fun learning toys today. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.